got some beard mail to unbox today. With Brewer, Bandbox fella, welcome. Yeah, so we got 6 in. We'll get this show on the road. And since Bandbox is in here first, we'll start with Bandbox. He sent me a couple things to review, so stay tuned for a Bandbox fella review. And then we're gonna be doing a live stream together at some point soon. I also don't have my normal knife, so I'm using this big ass kitchen knife. What's up, SDE Fleming? Yeah, so what's up, Walt? Alright. So we got oil. What's up, Bearded Towers? Ooh, okay. Alright, so from Bandbox fella, just got some beard milkers. So we got, and if you saw my thumbnail that I just posted, I've got Motown from Bandbox fella, and then Aberdeen from Chesapeake. So sick labels. Motown, that's a rich and soulful Bourbon Cologne, 30 milliliter. I believe these are 15 US. Made in the USA. MC'd oil, jojoba, sweet almond, meadow foam, argan, fragrance, essential oil blend. Ooh, that's a killer carrier oil blend. All right, let's see how this smells. Put the restrictor on there. Nice. Yeah, definitely a cologne with the, definitely get the alcoholness a little bit in the background there. That's nice though, I like that. Good scent for sure. Not heard good things about Bandbox fella, and there's a couple affiliate codes floating around, so if you want to check them out, look for an affiliate code. I don't have one, but there's some people that do. Comes with a sticker. Yeah, pretty cool sticker. We got a 4-ounce butter. All again, really sick labels. Got some cool product photo ideas for these, so stay tuned for that. Screw top and the seal. Ooh. Yeah, it's nice. That's what it looks like. I've heard good things about this butter. Yeah, I'm gonna be testing this out. Check out Bandbox fella if you haven't already. The pretty cool brand. Reviews, haven't tried Bandbox, I did like Chronic. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I've also heard changes up in beer too. Sweet, good to know. That's always fun when scents do that. I like that. Yeah, so that's Motown from Bandbox fella. Shout out to Bandbox fella for sending this out for review. Be reviewing that soon, so keep an eye out for that. It's gonna be I'm looking forward to testing it. Yeah, let's move on to the next box. We got Chesapeake, Beard and Grooming. Yeah, how's everybody doing? Let me know what's in beard. Alright. And so I got this, I got Aberdeen from Chesapeake during J. Cruz's CMU. Another thank you note. Send them out to Aberdeen. Make sure to mix its vitality. Yep, good to know. Nice. Oh, cool. That's an awesome sticker for Aberdeen. Bird Dog Beard Reviews. Thanks for coming in. Yeah, so this guy over here. Cool. There we go. Alright. So Beard Vitality, 2.5 ounces. These killer labels. Definitely also got some cool product code ideas for these. Just gotta get those done. If you've seen Vitality before, you know what it looks like, but in case you don't, I will show you. Well, I'm already getting a little bit of smell. Look, so there's that glorious Vitality whipped butter. Ooh. Wow, that's nice. Very smooth. I feel like a little bit of sweetness. That's pretty cool. Have the scent on there? No. Check the oil. Beard Tap Mat, welcome. Just dropping in. Gotta run, have a zoom in if you miss. Yeah, thanks for coming in, Mike. Looking forward to testing out Motown in beard. Great Beard Liam, welcome. Huh, looks like this leaked a little bit. Stupid USPS, but nothing crazy. No set profile in the bottle. Huh. Interesting. That's not a huge fan of that, but you know, it happens. Restrictor on there. Yeah, it's a cool scent. Definitely smooth. Sick labels. There you go. Yeah. So that's Aberdeen from Chesapeake and Motown. It's funny, I didn't even plan it this way, but just two music themed scents unboxed in the same video. What's up, Adrian? Just got done unboxing Motown from Bandbox Fella. Sent that out for review. And then Aberdeen from Chesapeake, which I bought. Yeah, so a couple more things to test out. Probably gonna have a shower shortly and test them out because I didn't have a chance to put anything in beard. Yeah, it's kind of screwed up because I woke up and had to jump onto class, so it's not as on point as it usually is, but appreciate that. What's up, Li? Thanks for hopping in. Yeah, also cool stickers from Chesapeake and Bandbox Fella. Add those to the sticker wall down in my normal studio. Yeah. So yeah, that's kind of all I wanted to say. Just a quick little unboxing. Thanks everybody for hopping in. If you're watching this on YouTube, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah. Peace out, y'all.